Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. If your audio files are plagued by excessive static or background noise, don't worry. There are many AI-powered tools available for audio cleanup, one of which is Elevenlabs, that I've personally found to be the most effective. In this video, I will show you how you can use Elevenlabs to effectively isolate your voice from the background noise. Let's go. The quality of your audio greatly affects the impact of your content, as excessive background noise can weaken your message and turn off viewers. Elevenlabs addresses this issue with its voice isolator feature. Note that this tool ultimately requires a premium subscription, but it's one of the best currently available, so it should be worth trying the paid plan to get more credits for use. For your convenience, you can access the platform by clicking the link in the information box below and register with your email address to receive a special discount. With my link, you can also enjoy 10,000 credits and more for up to 10 minutes of audio while editing. Once on the main dashboard, locate Voice Isolator under the Tools submenu. Here, you can either record your voice directly into the web application or upload an existing audio file. If you prefer to record in real time, make sure to allow the browser you're using to access your microphone when prompted to do so. But if you want to upload files instead, drag and drop audio files no larger than 500 megabytes. Next, click Isolate Voice to initiate the audio cleaning process. When the process is complete, you can listen to the cleaned up output, and then download it to your computer if you're satisfied with the results. Notice how the original audio sounds quite noisy in my example. Compare this to the Elevenlabs output, which is significantly cleaner and clearer. Beyond cleaning up voice recordings, this tool can also isolate vocals from music tracks. Just follow the same steps earlier and preview the isolated vocal track. Additionally, if your audio has low volume or poor quality, as in my example here,
hunting for pleasure, killing for power,
the voice isolator can also enhance it, resulting in clearer and more professional audio.
Hunting for pleasure, killing for power, you've never known love.
So, do you find this topic helpful? If you'd like to see more interesting videos on Elevenlabs, subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates on the software's best features. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.